Happy morning, dear children. Welcome back to this class. I hope all are fine and safe. Okay, my dear children. Before start the class, I'll play one video for you. Okay, my dear children. Just listen the video. Okay, dear children. Are you ready for that, my dear children? Yeah.
Coconut dear, how are you? How are you? Let me taste your white flesh, let me taste your white flesh, and the juice too, and the juice too. You have brown skin, you have brown skin, rough and coarse, rough and coarse. What a lovely tail you have, what a lovely tail you have. I like you, I like you.
Dear children, I hope you enjoyed the video well. Okay, my dear children. Okay. Yeah. Shall we begin the class now? Yeah, my dear children. From the English subject, that lesson name is The Coconut Tree. What is the lesson name? Yeah, The Coconut Tree. Okay, dear children. Learning objectives. In this class, we are going to learn about what we are going to learn, dear children. Yeah, we are going to learn about the coconut tree. What we are going to learn? Yeah, the coconut tree. Shall we see about it? What is coconut tree, my dear children? Are you ready for that? Yeah. Dear children, look at this picture. What is this? Have you seen anywhere? Yeah, many of them. You saw this tree, then some of you may not see this. Okay, my dear children, what is this? You know well, this is a coconut tree. What is this? This is a coconut tree. So, what are the things you know about coconut tree? Can you say a few points about coconut tree? Okay, dear children, at your home for making chicken gravy, they used to keep coconut. Then, what any other things? Yeah. Are you applying oil for your hair? Yeah, surely we used to apply the oil for our hair. Okay, my dear children, it's come from only coconut tree, from the coconut only. Okay, my dear children, then anything else? What do you know about the coconut tree and coconut, about coconut? Anything else points is there, dear children? What do you know about coconut? So that coconut water, it's very tasty. Yeah, it's very sweet and tasty. Do you like that coconut water? Yeah. Okay, my dear children. So now you just listen. Then only you come to know what are the features in that coconut tree. Okay, my dear children. Then only you come to know, if you listen only, what are the features in the coconut tree. About the coconut tree only, I am going to take the lesson now. Okay, my dear children. You have to listen carefully. Yeah. Look at this coconut tree. It is saving in the breeze. It means slowly moving from side to side. Okay, dear children, it's slowly moving from side to side. Then dear children, see this image. How tall it is. Whether it is small tree. Can you tell whether it is a small tree, dear children? No. It is very tall. So how tall it is? It is very different from other trees. It is very different from other trees. Compared to all the trees, it is different and it is very tall also. If you walk in the road, just look around your place. Okay, my dear children. If anything means like a coconut tree or papaya tree, some other trees will be there. Particularly if you see coconut tree, just observe that how it is, means how, and it is tall or short, or how it is. In that way you have to observe the tree. Okay, my dear children. Then only you come to know, then only you can compare to other trees. While I am saying, you can't get exactly. That's why I am telling, if you go out, just see around you what are the trees are there. Okay, dear children, what are the trees are there, how the trees are growing, means it is small or tall. Okay, dear children, in that way you have to look the tree. Okay, my dear children. So now the coconut tree is very tall and it is very different from other trees. For example, if you take a mango tree, whether it is a tall or short, yeah, it is medium size. Compared to coconut tree, that mango tree is a small. Okay, my dear children, compared to coconut tree, that mango tree is very tall. That's why we are telling it is very tall coconut tree and it's different from other trees. It is different from other trees. Am I clear for you, my dear children? So what I told before, yeah, coconut tree is very tall and it is different from other trees, and it is different from other trees. Then see this image, dear children. That first point, it has leaves only at the top. Dear children, see leaves, where it is, whether it is the bottom of the tree or it is the top of the tree. Yeah, it is top of the tree. The leaves only at the top of the tree. Okay, my dear children, whether it is the bottom of the tree, that leaves, no, it is top of the tree. Did you get my point, my dear children? What I am telling, the leaves are only at the top of the tree, not at the bottom of the tree. Okay, my dear children, am I clear for you? Yeah. It does not have any branches. So look at this picture, whether it have any branches. Here, there, look at this picture. If you see the picture, you come to know there is no branches for the coconut tree. There is no branches for coconut tree. Am I clear for you, dear children? Yeah. First thing, what is that? Yeah, it has leaves only at the top of the tree. Then it does not have any branches. It does not have any branches. Did you get my point? That leaves are at the top of the tree. At the same time, it does not have any branches. It does not have any branches. Do you understand, my dear children? Dear children, I'll repeat the point again. The coconut trees having leaf only at the top of the tree, then it does not have any branches. It does not have any branches. Okay, my dear children, shall we move to the next slide now? Okay, dear children, now look at this image. Okay, his name is Satish. What is his name? Satish. Look at Satish. He has reached the top of the coconut tree. What is doing? Yeah, he is near to the coconut. So he has reached the top of the coconut tree. Dear children, look at this boy. His name is Satish. He has reached the top of the coconut tree. Then what will happen? After that, what he will do? Just think, dear children. After that, what he will do? Yeah, just wait and watch what he will do. See, yeah, after that, Satish is pulling out his knife. Satish is pulling out his knife. Okay, dear children, what is doing? Is pull out his knife. Is pull out his knife. For what? Can you imagine for what is pull out his knife? Did you get? What is the answer? For what he is taking out the knife from his? Yeah. He is cutting the green coconuts. For what? First he reached the top of the coconut tree. Then he pulling out his knife. Then he is cutting the green coconuts. So for what he went? So to cut the green coconuts. So what is doing now? He is cutting the green coconuts. Okay, my dear children, what is doing now? He is cutting the green coconuts. I am clear for you, my dear children. First thing, what he done? Yeah, he has reached the near to coconut tree, means top of the tree. Then is pulling out his knife. After that, what happened? Yeah, he is cutting the green coconuts. After that, what will happen, my dear children? After cutting, what will happen? Yeah, we'll see that. Okay. So after that, the coconuts are falling down. So how many coconuts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. up to 40. Up to 40 coconuts are falling down. Okay, my dear children, up to 40 coconuts are falling down. Can you see this image? Yeah, what I displayed in the screen. In this, like this only, coconuts are, after cutting the green coconut, it's falling down one by one. It's falling down. Then Satish has come down now. He started to come down now. The owner of the coconut tree is here. Then he counts the coconuts lying on the ground. That owner of the coconut tree, what he done? Yeah, he counts the coconuts lying on the ground. How many coconuts on the ground? He started to count. So nearly 40 coconuts are falling down. It's on ground only now. Okay, dear children. So the owner of the coconut tree, he started to count the coconuts. What are the coconuts on the ground? He started to count. Then he pays Satish for his work. So Satish done a work. So for that he given a money. Okay, dear children. Satish has done a work. So the coconut tree owner, he given money for him. He given a money for him for his work. For Satish work, the owner of the coconut tree, he given the money. Then, dear children, Satish loves his work very much. After getting the money, Satish felt very happy. Satish felt very happy. So, Satish loves his work very much. Satish loves his work very much. So, see his face, how much smile is there. Dear children, what is displayed on the screen? See this image. After get the payment from the owner, Satish felt very happy in the time. So, Satish loves his work very much, dear children. Am I clear for you, dear children? Yeah. You can see the whole village from top of the tall coconut trees. Now, how he felt? Yeah, he can see the whole village from the top of the tall coconut trees. After reaching the coconut tree, at the top of the coconut tree, he can see the whole village from there. He can see the whole village from there. For example, if you go to your house terrace, can you able to see other houses? Yeah, surely you can see. So like that only, Satish also, after reach the top of the coconut tree, he can see the whole village from there. What he done? Yeah, he can see the whole village from the top of the tree. Am I clear for you, dear children? Yeah. So I'll repeat it again. So after getting the payment, Satish loves his work very much. Then he can see the whole village from the top of the tall coconut trees. So after reaching the top of the coconut tree, he started to see the whole village. So it's very nice and beautiful for him. If feels like that in that time. Okay, my dear children, did you get my point? Yeah. Dear children, I hope you understand the concept well. You have learned about coconut tree. Yeah, my dear children. In the story, you have learned about coconut tree. Dear children, shall we see small recap about it? Shall we see or not, my dear children? Yeah, shall we see small recap about it? Yeah, my dear children. Just follow. Coconut trees different from other trees. Coconut tree different from other trees. Then Satish has reached the top of the coconut tree. What he did? Yeah, Satish has reached the top of the coconut tree. Then what he done? Yeah, he is cutting the green coconuts. He is cutting the green coconuts. Then what happened? The owner of the coconut tree count the coconuts. What he done? Yeah, the owner of the coconut tree, he started to count the coconuts. Then Satish loves his work very much. At the final, how he felt, Satish? Yeah, Satish loves his work very much. How he felt? Yeah, Satish loves his work very much. Okay, my dear children, I'll repeat again. Coconut tree is different from other trees. Then Satish has reached the top of the coconut tree. And after that, what happened? Yeah, he is cutting the green coconuts. Then the owner of the coconut tree counts the coconuts. At the final, he got a payment also. Then how he felt Satish? Yeah, Satish loves his work very much. Satish loves his work very much. Okay, my dear children, I hope you all understand the concept well. Yeah, did you get my point? Isn't it? Yeah, my dear children. Children, can you please take your note and pencil? My dear children, assessment. Just write it, assessment, and you should write the today date also, dear children. Write true or false. Write true or false. That first question is Satish uses an axe to cut the coconuts. To cut the coconut, what he used in the time? Please, can you remember and say the answer, my dear children? Yeah. First question is Satish uses an axe to cut the coconuts. I'll give the option for you. Option A is knife and option B is axe. What do you use to cut the coconuts? Yeah, now you can find the answer easily. So what is the answer? Dear children, what is the answer? Yeah. So Satish uses an axe to cut the coconuts. Sorry. Satish uses an axe to cut the coconuts. Is it true or false? Is it false? Why? Then what he done? Yeah, Satish used the knife. He used only knife to cut the coconuts. So that's why we are telling this is false. Then the next question is the owner of the coconut trees count the coconut. Is it true or false? The owner of the coconut tree counts the coconut. Is it true or false? No, well, I think, dear children, so is it true? Whether Satish counted coconuts? Whether Satish have counted the coconut? No. So the owner of the coconut tree only counted the coconut. So what is the answer? So this is the right answer. So we should write true. Okay, dear children, we should write true. Then I'll repeat the questions again. Write true or false. First question is Satish uses an axe to cut the coconuts. Answer false. Then the owner of the coconut tree count the coconut. What is the answer? True. What is the answer? True. Okay, dear children. Dear children, then you have to note the homework. Today's homework you have to write now. Just note it, then you can write afterwards also. Homework. And you should write the today date also, dear children. You should write the today date also. Then only you start to write the homework. Answer the following. The first question is draw a coconut tree and color it. It's very easy for you, no? Yeah, dear children, it's very easy, no? Yeah. Just you have to draw a coconut tree. Then you have to give the exact color for the coconut tree. You should draw the coconuts also. So then you have to draw that leaves, then that what is that roots and all, you should draw properly. Then after that you have to color it. Okay dear children, draw nicely, then give the colors also exact color for that, which color how to give for which thing. You just think and give the color for the coconut tree. I hope you will draw well. Okay dear children, you have to draw. Okay dear children. Dear children, thank you for your patience, and I hope you all are learned about coconut tree. Then you should write the homework and assessment also. Should not forget this, and you should not ignore that also. You must do the homework and assessment. We'll see you in the next class. Okay my dear children. Thank you very much.